Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag neo4j tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to take a backup and restore on neo4j in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process regarding the installation of neo4j and backup and restore using the neo4j-admin. So I have full database recovery and auto backup schedule guide on the neo4j backup. So what you will learn. So full database backup using the neo4j-admin, full database restore in case of the crash and migration, and how to verify the backup. So real example commands tested. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here we need the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server. So now I am going to access the my Ubuntu server. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. So this is the my server. I'm going to start my server. So we'll access this server and there we'll install the neo4j 5 point something. So this is the full command to install the neo4j. So already I have created video regarding the neo4j installation and configuration. You can go through that video for the more about the neo4j installation. So let me check. Our server is started. Now I'm going to access my server. So cmd ssh dpt at the rate 192.168.136.128. So this is the IP address. Sudo su. So now I'm going to run this command and I'll just discuss about that. So in this command, first I'm going to update my system packages, whatever the install in my Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Then we are going to add the GPG key, and then we are changing uh, the path for the stable file neo4j debian on the source list file. Then again we are updating because we are changes into the source list, so we need to update to get the latest code. So next we are going to install the neo4j and enable the neo4j start and status of that. So we are running all the things. So near about completed. Next, we'll just enable the firewall and we need the specific port that is a 7477, 7474, 7473, 7687. So TCP ports are I want. So these ports are we'll use to access the new 4G. So I'm allowing this. So let it complete. Okay, running. So quit and allow the ports. So I want to access the new 4G using this port. So I'll show you. It won't be accessible because we are not allow the remote access. So 192.168.136.128. So not accessible. Now what I will do? I'll just sudo nano slash etc neo4j neo4j dot config file and go down. Server default listening address. Restart neo4j. So whatever we have changed on configuration, we need to restart our service. So neo4j data service we have restarted. Now wait for a few seconds and then check. So accessible. Now we need the username and password. So username is the neo4j, and password is also neo4j. So click on connect. So need to change the password. So admin at the rate 123, admin at the rate 123. So this is the password. So click on change password. So we have logged in. Okay. Now move to the next. We have done these things. We have access neo4j is the password. Now I'm going to access through the cell. So done. Now we'll create the database, create the nodes and relationship. So here we are creating the A node, their name is Chirag, age 35, and B node, there is a persons and Sanju and 30, and create the relation between that. So friend A is friend of B. So after doing this, go to this there, you can check there on the persons, there is a node, you will get the both the things. So Sanju is Chirag is friend of Sanju. So you can read like this. So now you can get the data on command line also. So here we'll get this is the data and this is the connections node. So now I am going to exit this colon exit. Now move to the next. So we'll stop the neo4j before backup because we are using the community edition. If you are using the enterprise edition, so then no need to stop and you can take a backup. So stop. Now we'll create a directory. So backup neo4j and we are giving the ownership of that. And then using the neo4j admin database dump, we are dumping the database. So dump is done. Let me go to the path and let me check. Well, so we are getting the neo4j dump is there. So we have done this one. Then we are removing the all the data. Means whatever the data we have, we want to restore. So we are removing everything. Now we're going to restore that. If you start neo4j, if you start neo4j and you want to access, so here you won't get any node and relationship because we remove that. And the database is also offline. So what I'll do, I'll just stop, then we'll restore. So here we are running the database load. Just remember this one, load neo4j. So successfully done. Now I am giving the ownership permission for that. So give the ownership and now start. So we have started. Now verify the service is running or not. If you are any getting any errors, no. So service is running properly. Okay. So go there and reload this. Go to the databases, go to click on person. So we're getting the data. Means after removing the data also we can restore the data and we have a backup. So we are getting the data. So in this video we have learned how to configure the neo4j backup and restore on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS using the neo4j admin. So the next is the automate daily online backups optional. So neo5x Supports online backup only the Neo4j Enterprise Edition. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo, names belongs to their respective owners. All video is made only for the this video is made only for the educational information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. So you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. So note the process exactly shown in the video. DM me for the paid PDF and document. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you.